creating a team of faculties from Delhi is not basically about any differences, regional differences in the quality or anything, but more so over what this examination demands. We have to understand is not completely academic expertise. This is not what the examination demands. The UPSC examination demand is completely different. It tests your character, it tests your preparation strategies as well. And for that, one way that I find is experienced faculty who have already guided the people who have succeeded. So that's the only differentiator when we say, okay, why bringing Delhi faculties over to Bangalore? Because these faculties carrying more than decade of experience have guided a lot of students who have qualified, who have cleared the examination. So they know precisely in and out of how people prepare. Of course, I can say as many selections are there, if 1,000 selections are there, there are 1,000 ways of preparation. But that is where exposure works. So when these teachers have exposure to different students and their ways of studying, the faculties would be able to, the mentors would be able to customize the preparation strategy based on students. And that is what is the reality with respect to Delhi faculty team in Bangalore.